What is this? What is this?
This is a ball. This is a ball.
What is that? What is that?
That is a rainbow. That is a rainbow.
What are these? What are these?
These are flowers. These are flowers.
What is in the box? What is in the box?
There are toys in the box. There are toys in the box.
What is in the fridge? What is in the fridge?
There is milk in the fridge. There is milk in the fridge.
What's in your hand? What's in your hand?
It's a cookie. It's a cookie.
What is on the table? What is on the table?
There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table.
What are you holding? What are you holding?
I am holding a book. There is a book on the table.
What is this sound? What is this sound?
This is the sound of rain. This is the sound of rain.
What are you making? What are you making?
I am making a paper airplane. I am making a paper airplane.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a bird in the tree. I see a bird in the tree.
What is this smell? What is this smell?
This is the smell of flowers. This is the smell of flowers.
What is she reading? What is she reading?
She is reading a storybook. She is reading a storybook.
What is in your bag? What is in your bag?
There is a notebook and a pen in my bag. There is a notebook and a pen in my bag.
What is in the basket? What is in the basket?
There are fruits in the basket. There are fruits in the basket.
What is on the chair? What is on the chair?
There is a backpack on the chair. There is a backpack on the chair.
What is under the bed? What is under the bed?
There are shoes under the bed. There are shoes under the bed.
What is on the shelf? What is on the shelf?
There are some books on the shelf. There are some books on the shelf.
What is that noise? What is that noise?
That noise is a car horn. That noise is a car horn.
What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket?
There is a coin in my pocket. There is a coin in my pocket.
What is on your head? What is on your head?
It's a hat. It's a hat.
What is in the room? What is in the room?
There is a table, a chair, and a lamp in the room. There is a table, a chair, and a lamp in the room.
What is in the garden? What is in the garden?
There are flowers and trees in the garden. There are flowers and trees in the garden.
What is on the floor? What is on the floor?
There is a rug on the floor. There is a rug on the floor.
What are they playing with? What are they playing with?
They are playing with a ball. They are playing with a ball.
What is in your hand? What is in your hand?
It is a cup of tea. It is a cup of tea.
What is in the park? What is in the park?
There are swings and slides in the park. There are swings and slides in the park.
What is on the bed? What is on the bed?
There is a pillow and a blanket on the bed. There is a pillow and a blanket on the bed.
What is in the drawer? What is in the drawer?
There are keys in the drawer. There are keys in the drawer.
What is on the desk? What is on the desk?
There There is a computer on the desk. There is a computer on the desk.